Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to convert Gcredit to Gcash wallet using Coins.ph. So let's start. Step 1, you have to pay service using the Gcredit and DragonPay. Find online merchant builder that offers the DragonPay. That is one, okay? And then, as a payment option, proceed with payment using Gcredit. During the payment process, select DragonPay and choose Gcredit as your payment method. Number 2, cash into your Coins.ph account. Log in into your Coins.ph account, okay, and deposit funds into your account using a buy cash method. So you have to first here to get it, okay, trust it, and then you can start using your account. Of course, you have to find an account to already have signed up here. So when you do it, cash out from Coins.ph to Gcash. Once the funds are available in your Coins.ph account, initiate a cash out. Select Gcash as the wallet option and enter the required information to complete the withdrawal. So that's the way to do it, guys. As you can see, it's very easy to start using it. Of course, you have, as I mentioned, an account here on Coins.ph for starting doing this one. So I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up to this video.